Hi guys, in this video we will see review and demo of RIN Fabric Whitener. So let's get started. This one is 200 ml bottle and it has MRP of 44 rupees. So what this RIN Ala Fabric Whitener does, it's actually a fabric bleach. It assures whiteness and remove tough stain, and this should be used before washing your clothes with detergent. So it has this twist cap and the seal has a small hole so you can dispense it from here itself, and it has a bleaching smell but it can be bared. The color texture is just like water, transparent liquid, and this can be used only for the white cotton and terracotta clothes. So how to use: never ever use this directly on your clothes, otherwise you will get patches on the cloth. So we have to dilute this. Put 3 caps of this RIN in half bucket of water and soak clothes for 30 minutes, and then rinse and wash with detergent like your usual stuff. If it is a stain, a tough stain, then you take a mug of water and add 2 cups of this. So I'm going to try this on the turmeric stain and soak the stained area in the mug for 20 minutes. Now rinse and wash with detergent. Wash like your usual clothes, and here we are. Can you spot the turmeric stain over here? It's brand new, completely white. It's also available in 500 ml and 800 ml size options. What do you see? Typical white color towel and the bed sheet in the hotel. So this is the stuff. If you use this, you will get the similar brightness. So altogether, it's value for money. Super easy to use. Just add it to your wash and you're good to go. It's really worth it. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.